Hello and a hearty welcome to all my students. This is Ajit Anthony, faculty of Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. This is my sixth video for the first chapter of science for class 6th. In this video, we will discuss some important terms which was left to be discussed in my previous video. The very first term that we will discuss is scavengers. Animals that feed on the flesh of dead animals. Over here, points that need to be remembered is that scavengers plays an important role in the ecosystem by consuming the dead animals. We can also say that scavengers are the cleaning agent of the ecosystem. That means these type of organisms eat only dead animals. Example of this type: vulture, hyena, crow, etc. Another term that we will discuss is decomposers. Decomposers is an organism that destroy or break down organic materials. Example of this type: fungi and bacteria. This is the type of organism that usually breaks down the organic materials. Whenever we throw the organic material, it slowly degrades, and it was being degraded by the decomposers. Example of this type: fungi and bacteria. In this video, we have discussed scavengers, animals that feed on the flesh of dead animals. Example: vulture, hyena, crows, etc. Decomposers. A decomposer is an organism that destroy or break down organic material. Example: fungi and bacteria. In my previous video, I have given you some homework. So now it's time to let's do that. I have given you write 2 examples each. The first question is that meat yielding birds. I have given the answer is that chicken and turkey. You can also include the answer as duck over here. Dairy product, butter and cheese. Over here I have written butter and cheese. Instead of that, you can also write yogurt and ice cream. Herbivores, cow and goat. You can include another herbivorous organism as well. Carnivores, lion and tiger. You can include other carnivorous organism. 2 leafy vegetables, spinach and cabbage. You can also include fenugreek over here. In this, we have discussed the previous question which I have given you as the homework. Now I would like you all to provide you that the question that I will be giving you right now. Now I would like you all to copy these questions. The very first question is: what are the benefits of eating a variety of food? I repeat my question: what are the benefits of eating a variety of foods? Second question: differentiate between carnivores and omnivores. I repeat my question: differentiate between carnivores and omnivores. Third question: give the special characteristics shown by carnivores that support their eating habits. I repeat my question: give the special characteristics shown by carnivores that support their eating habits. Fourth question: write any 3 examples of scavengers. I repeat my question: write any 3 examples of scavengers. Question 5: why are scavengers important to the environment? I repeat my question: why are scavengers important to the environment? Now I would like you all to answer these questions in your own words, and we will discuss these answers in my upcoming video. I hope you all have liked this session.